Hi, traders. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at House of Borse. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. House of Borse is a popular FCA-regulated ECN Forex broker that was founded in 2001 and is based in the United Kingdom. They offer flexible accounts and a wide variety of currency pairs, indices, commodities, equities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies that you can trade on the MetaTrader 5 platform. House of Borse caters specifically for professional and institutional traders, so we recommend trading with them only if you have experience. However, if you are a beginner and you would like to trade with them, you can use a demo account, which is a risk-free alternative that you can use to learn the basics of trading. The broker offers a user-friendly, simplistic website that is easy to navigate. You can easily find more information about the accounts they offer, the platforms and tools you can use, and the company's history and regulations by choosing an option directly from the menu bar. The landing page highlights some of the perks of being a client, and instruments are listed with updated spreads. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, you will find contact details for the customer support team, disclaimers, and direct links to sections of the website. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with House of Borse, simply click on the Trading Products tab and select an item from the drop-down menu. There are more than 200 tradable forex pairs, indices, commodities, equities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, with spreads starting as low as 0.5 pips. The customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and they can be reached via email, live chat, or telephonically. You can view their contact details and user manuals under the Support tab. The broker also offers a loyalty program for high-volume traders, so the more you trade, the better and bigger your reward. House of Borse's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, which is available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 5 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world today. It was released in 2010 and is well known for having advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and much more. This trading platform can also be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and so much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their trading strategies. As a House of Borse client, you will also be allowed to use expert advisors as well as Fix API, which is a protocol that is designed to automate trading strategies. With House of Borse, there are 3 types of trading accounts you can open, and you also have the option of using a demo account or converting your account to a swap-free account. The accounts offered are available in 3 levels, and high-volume trading is awarded through a loyalty program. Commission fees and conversion costs are low on all 3 accounts, and a maximum leverage of 1 to 100 is allowed. The minimum deposit required to open an account is $5,000 and you can fund your account using pounds, US dollars, or euros. The payment methods you can use are card payments and wire transfers. As mentioned before, the broker offers a demo account that you can use to practice trading on or to test new strategies. And this account will allow you to trade in a risk-free environment using virtual funds. You will also have the option to apply for a swap-free account. And if your application is approved, your account will be converted to an interest-free account, specifically designed for Muslim traders. Creating an account with House of Borse may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the House of Borse homepage, and then click on the Open Live Account button. What you will want to do next is complete the online application form, and then verify your account and email address. You can then log into the client portal, and once your account is set up and approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. After your account is set up and ready, what you will want to do next is download and install the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install the platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with House of Borse. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a nice and simple one-click trading window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, you can find a wide variety of educational content online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you with the basics of platform functionality and to get started. With regards to educational material, the broker's accounts are specifically designed mainly for professional clients, so there is not a great deal of beginner-friendly trading guides or video tutorials. However, you can visit the Download Center to view the economic calendar provided. And this calendar contains data that covers more than 500 indices of the world's largest economies. They also provide a trade cost guide that you can check out if you are interested. Overall, House of Borse is a popular ECN broker for professional and institutional traders. They offer competitive spreads, a wide range of instruments, and loyalty rewards for high-volume traders. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account today to get a head start on your trading career and to take advantage of their incredible loyalty bonuses. And that is our overview of House of Borse. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.